So here with number 2, the profit from production and sale of a product is given by that function where X represents the number of units produced and sold. And so what is the total profit from producing and selling 2,000 units? And we need to find the profit of 5,000 and write a sentence explaining its meaning. So what we've got is we are going to have that function in Wolfram just like we did the last one. And I probably should have written my workout on the last one a little bit better than I did. So profit from production and sale of 2,000 units. And so 2,000 units is X. And so we are going to be putting in the 2,000 for the X value. So 47 times 2,000 minus 0.01 X, which is 2,000, to the power of 2, minus 8,000. And so I'll also write that in my work. I probably should have done that in the last one actually, but we have P of X is equal to 47X minus 0.01 X squared minus 8,000. And we get P of X, and where we have P of X, we can go ahead and put 2,000 in there because we are replacing X with 2,000. Is 47 times 2,000 minus 0.01 times 2,000 to the power of 2 minus 8,000. And so giving that to Wolfram, everyone, what we get is y equals 46,000. And in our case, P of 2,000. Same thing as saying y equals 46, meaning that the total profit for selling 2,000 units is $46,000. Okay, and so you can see that I've written that out there on my notes now. And so find P of 5,000 and write a sentence explaining its meaning. And so P of 5,000 is going to be the profit from selling 5,000 units. And so what we're going to do is just replace these 2,000s with 5,000. We get negative 23,000. That's sort of interesting. And so what that is telling us, everyone, is that if we were to produce and try to sell 5,000 of these things, we would actually lose $23,000 in doing so. And the reason that happens is because we produce and we make all this stuff and it costs us something to do that. But once we get past market equilibrium and we produce too many, people are not interested in buying them anymore. And so they just sit on the shelf making no money for us. And so it's very important for us to understand that we are trying to get to the place where we make as much money as possible and do not overproduce and make more of something than people are willing to buy, because that would cause us to be in the situation like we are right here, where we are having a loss of $23,000 for doing way more work. It will obviously be way more work to produce 5,000 of these things than 2,000. And again, we would actually be losing money by doing that. So again, just recapping, you can see my words there. Producing and selling 5,000 units causes us to lose $23,000. And this is because we made more of whatever this product is than we are able to sell. And so in that instance, we pay all the costs of making them without getting any revenue from selling them because they're sitting on the shelf because no one wants to buy them.